土壤是人类繁荣的基础，我们讲万物土中生，所以我们平时吃的，我们用的，最终是来自于土壤的。因此呢，土壤的健康，土壤是否干净，有没有被污染，它最终会影响到我们生态系统的健康和我们人类的健康。因此，为了促进绿色发展，我们必须的保护土壤，使得我们土壤生态系统不受污染。如果土壤污染了，我们吃的东西就污染，那么我们的农产品就得不到安全保障，我们人体健康得不到这个健康的保障。我的研究主要围绕着环境微生物就是这个土壤微生物，所以我特别重视这个微生物的循环和全球这个微生物之间的相互关联。因为我们每个物种身上都有微生物，进口的食物或者我们出口的食物等等，它都有带有微生物。污水的排放、空气的流动都会带来微生物的。因此我们人类确实是一个生命共同体。这个生命共同体就是有这个微生物世界把我们拉得更紧了。因此我们在全球这样一个更加全球化的一个地球上，我们就更应该加强国际合作，加强这个协同攻关，加强提高全球公民的科学素质。因为我们在这个地球上，不管我们身处何地，我们都会由于微生物把大家牵连在一起，因此每一个人都不可能独善其身。因此我们的这个科学素质或者我们跟生态环境的相关的科学素质，它就是需要在全球层面大家有共同的这种行动，才能最终改善我们人类的共同的这个生活的家园。每一块土地，每一个人都是不是孤立存在的，我们是相互联系的，我们是一个大家庭。而且这个大家庭由于全球化，我们的家庭的联系变得更加紧密。而在这样的背景下，我们必须大家团结在一起，要通过对话合作实现共赢。
Green transformation is our most daunting goal for the 21st century. It will determine whether or not humanity can continue to grow and thrive on this planet. Our energy system is comprised of three forms of energy: food, transportation, which underlies the global commerce, and last is electricity, without which there is no modern life. Each one of those elements requires different energy inputs. Each is facing distinct challenges and solutions which science is called to address. Our food production must become more mechanized, more efficient in terms of use of water and fertilizers, and also more sustainable in terms of land use. Our transportation system is 95% dependent on oil, and that requires a shift of all of our modes of transportation, cars, trucks, ships, planes, to more sustainable energy sources. Our electricity sector is more diversified in terms of energy sources, and renewable energy is indeed carving a bigger and bigger share of our energy pie. While we work to advance the green transformation, we face a no less important challenge, and that is how to mobilize science to make us more resilient to extreme weather events. This includes better integration of geology and hydrology in city planning to prevent flooding like the one we experienced last year in Henan province, climate engineering solutions to mitigate powerful storms, technologies to combat wildfires, and civil engineering solutions to mitigate the problem of rising sea levels in coastal communities. All of this means that the green transformation involves bigger solutions to big problems. And because these solutions apply to a global problem, not a local one, they require scientific cooperation among nations, especially among the world's major economic and innovation hubs. They also require that countries increase their investment in R&D, because investment in science is investment in our future.